Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tijani-Abagaro, a solution architect. Alright, let us discuss on the topic. On this video, the focus area is AWS VPC creation and the configuration. What is AWS VPC? VPC is a service that lets you launch AWS resources in a logically isolated virtual network that you define. Technically speaking, it is an implementation of data center on the cloud. Relatively, implementation of local data center or corporate data center is tedious and cumbersome. It needs to follow certain principles in the procedure, building document preparation and the publication, hiring an implementation partner, procurement and the management are complex and the time-consuming tasks. It may be accomplished within 1 or more years. It depends on the size of your data center and the solution you have actually. On the other hand, cloud has enormous benefits. Fast, easy to use, flexible, cost-effective, reliable, scalable, high performance, and secure. There is no additional charge for creating and using the VPC itself, but there is a usage charges for other AWS resources or services provisioned or launched in the VPC you create. That's it. Alright then, let us discuss about the agenda. Our agenda will include the following. Number 1, AWS VPC designing. What is AWS VPC designing? It is a graphical representation of our orchestration. Why AWS VPC designing is needed? For instance, consider that you have a plan to construct a building. For that matter, you need to have a plan, a blueprint, right? A blueprint that helps you to ensure that you have reached every milestone and the consistency in your plan. Just like that, it had better to have a proper designing first. Then we will go to AWS VPC creation and the configuration in 3 ways. Number 1, Python programming language. Number 2, CloudFormation. Number 3, AWS Management Console. Once we have done with VPC creation and the configuration, we will provision AWS resources. For instance, we will provision EC2 instance, or we will configure server inside the VPC we have created. In Python, in CloudFormation, in AWS Management Console. That is all about our agenda. To get more video, share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you.